What is cloud computing? This is one of the newly developed service of the Internet which allows the user to process, store, and manage data on a remote server rather than using local machine. These remote servers provide very high data processing speed and a huge data storage capacity, which helps the user to process their information quickly and to store it safely on a remote computer, which is protected from all types of malware attacks and data crash. Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Docs, Amazon Drive are some examples of cloud computing. Characteristics of cloud computing. Cloud computing technique is nowadays widely used by the organizations which are providing online services to the users, like banks and other financial institutions, railways, IT department, research and defense services, etc., to safeguard their important data and to meet their higher data processing needs. Some of the major characteristics of cloud computing are: cloud services are provided by the various service providers on a fee as per the usage of the consumer. Once the user access is configured for the usage of IT resources, consumer can access them without any further intervention from the service provider. This results in an on-demand service usage. The IT resources provided by the cloud computing service provider can be pooled by the various cloud consumers using a multi-tenant model with different physical and virtual resource assigned dynamically on the user's demand without the knowledge of its location. As per the requirements of the cloud consumer, capabilities can be increased or decreased automatically based on the usage demand. To the consumer, it gives a feel of the unlimited capabilities available all the time. The usage of cloud resources can be monitored and controlled automatically. The usage of services like storage, processing, bandwidth, and active user accounts can be reported anytime, providing transparency for the provider and the consumer. Advantages of cloud computing. The various advantages of cloud computing are as follows. Cost saving. The most significant benefit of cloud computing is that it saves huge cost required to establish and maintain in-house server and applications. Reliability. This service is more reliable as compared to the in-house server, as the failure of in-house server will lead to the huge loss till it is restored back, while in cloud it is quickly shifted to another server. Manageability. All the required services are maintained and managed by the service provider, and as a consumer, you need not worry about all these. You can simply enjoy the usage of all applications, software and services through a simple web interface. Competitive edge. The ever-increasing need of the computing resources gives you an edge over the competitors, as without updating your IT infrastructure, you can quickly procure them from the service provider. Data backup and recovery. This service offers you data backup facility on the remote server. With this, you can keep all your important data safely, which can be restored or recovered easily in case of data loss due to some malware attack or physical damage. Easy access to information. The information stored on the cloud can be accessed to view from anywhere, which gives you the benefit of using your information anytime, anywhere, without carrying it physically on some storage device. Disadvantages of cloud computing. Although cloud computing has so many advantages, it also has some risk factors involved in it. These are downtime. This service is accessed through the internet only. So, if due to any reason your internet service is down, you will not be able to access any of the application or service from the cloud. Data security. Although the service provider implements the best security standards to safeguard the data of its clients, but still opening your important file from some external storage device is always open to risk. Using cloud service, you are providing access of your confidential data to the service provider, which could be a concern for the privacy of data. Lock-in. Although cloud service providers commit to the flexibility and integrity of cloud services, but still it is very difficult to migrate services from one service provider to another, as it can lead to interportability and support issue. Limited control. Since all the cloud infrastructure is owned and managed by the service provider, it gives limited control to the user to manage applications, data, and services only, and not to back-end infrastructure. Types of cloud computing. Cloud computing can be described in two ways, that is, cloud location and cloud services. Based on cloud location. Based on the cloud location, cloud can be categorized as public. In this type of cloud, the resources available are shared by everyone who is availing services from that service provider. However, the data for each user is kept separately. This type of cloud is most vulnerable to various attacks. Public cloud, customer A, customer B, customer C. Private. Private cloud means the available resources are used solely by one customer or user and is not shared with others. The security and control level is highest in a private cloud. Hybrid. This type of cloud is a combination of public and private cloud. The services can be used based on the complexity level of the activities, like public cloud can be used to interact with the customers, while private cloud can be used for keeping the data secure. Hybrid, private, public. Community. In this type of cloud, services and data are shared among the specific group of users or organizations which have common concern. This includes the industrial groups, research groups, or standard groups. Based on cloud services. Based on the services offered by the cloud, they can be categorized as IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. In this type of cloud, the infrastructure, storage disks, and virtual server services are offered by the service provider. This is one of the most common type of cloud service. PaaS, Platform as a Service. This type of cloud is used for providing development platform, which includes operating system, programming language, execution environment, database and web servers, etc. SaaS, Software as a Service. In this type of cloud, user can access various software applications based on the pay-per-usage basis. Dropbox. Dropbox is a free cloud-based service that lets you store files online and access them anywhere. You can then share these files with other people, allowing them to view, edit, and download them. Dropbox offers 2 GB, 2 GB of free storage space with options pay. Dropbox has both desktop and mobile apps and can also be used with any web browser. This means you can access your files from any computer or mobile device connected to the internet. To create a Dropbox account. In order to use Dropbox, you'll first need to create a Dropbox account. Step 1. Go to www.dropbox.com. Step 2. Fill up the sign-up form on the right side of the page. Step 3. Select the checkbox next to I agree to Dropbox terms and click on Sign Up button. Step 4. A page will appear prompting you to download Dropbox to get started. Click on Download Dropbox button. Step 5. After the installation of Dropbox is completed, a window appears. The windows prompt the user to set up a Dropbox account. Enter the email ID and password. Click on Sign In button. You can also click on Sign In with Google to sign in using Google account. Type here. Step 6. The Dropbox screen appears. Click on Open My Dropbox. Follow the instructions on screen to complete the setup process. Now, your Dropbox folder is created. The Dropbox screen appears. Uploading a file to Dropbox. To upload a file to Dropbox, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Upload Files button. Step 2. The Open dialog appears. Choose the file to upload. Click on Open button. The files get uploaded to Dropbox. Sharing a folder using Dropbox. To share a folder using Dropbox, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on New Shared Folder option. Step 2. Choose the required option and click on Next button. Step 3. Write the email ID of the receiver and an optional small note that can also be sent with the folder. Step 4. Click on Share button to share the selected folder. Sharing a file using Dropbox. To share a file using Dropbox, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file which is to be shared. Click on Share button. A dialog box appears. Step 2. Write the email ID of the receiver and an optional small note can also be sent with the file. Step 3. Click on Share button to share the selected file. To sign out from Dropbox. To sign out from Dropbox, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Located at the top right corner of the Dropbox window. A menu appears. Step 2. Click on Sign Out option.